trust administration. What's the difference? Well, my friend, that's kind of like asking what's the difference between an orange and grapes. It's not even in the same universe. Probate is the process of changing the title from the deceased person to the beneficiaries, to the heirs at law. Whether you had a will and the will says, give all my things to Megan Truick from the law office of Bryan Fagan. That means that you're going to take the will, take it to the probate court, become the executor of the will, and then give Megan Truick all of the assets. As opposed to if you died without a will, then probate says these are the heirs of that person, and the estates code lays out who would get your assets. That's probate. Trust administration is totally different. There is no court involvement at all, no judge telling you who gets the assets, no estates code coming in telling you what should happen. Totally outside the court. All you have the successor trustee looking at the trust documents, collecting the assets, and then distributing the assets according to how the trust document states. So probate is in court, trust administration is outside court. I guess when you're looking at that, it's kind of not like apples and oranges. It's more like a banana and a plantain. Sometimes probate and trust administration intersect because somebody didn't fully put everything inside the trust. Maybe you left out a bank account and you didn't list the beneficiaries. Maybe you had a house in Boca and you failed to transfer the title into the trust. And now you've passed away and we have to probate your will in order to get that asset to put it inside the trust. So yes, sometimes probate and trust administration intersect, but they are not the same thing. Probate is after death, and trust administration really doesn't have a timeline. It can go from when the person is alive, to when the person is dead, to when the person's children are living, to when the person's children are dead. And that's the difference between probate and trust administration. I hope that helps. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.